So y'all, I am here on my back patio. We are finally experiencing some porch weather here in Texas, and I'm just having a little bit of trouble with my concrete. So we have dogs, and over time, the dogs have left their mark on our concrete. I would really love to come out here, sit on my porch and relax with a cup of coffee and enjoy a clean, fresh looking porch. We are calling Southwest Exteriors. They are going to be showing us a variety of concrete coating options that's going to spruce up the concrete, help it be easier to clean and maintain. And y'all, I just cannot wait. Another reason I am looking forward to this project is it is fall planting time. I would love to get some fresh florals out here, maybe some mums, just some beautiful plants. And part of me has just been unmotivated to make the porch pretty because the concrete has just been one of the reasons that I am going with Southwest Exteriors. I have been to a few homes that they have done work on and see the quality in their project. Just talking with them on the phone and in person, you can tell that they care about the work that they put out there. So I'm super excited to experience firsthand their work on my own home. I'm about to meet with Anna from the Southwest Exteriors team. I cannot wait to hear what she has to say. She is going to help me pick my colors, let me know what to expect from the installation process, and how to maintain my concrete after the job is done. Okay y'all, Southwest Exteriors is here. They've blocked off my windows. They have taped off the windows to protect them. They are getting started on the patio. I cannot wait to see it. I'm gonna take you from the process from start to finish. I can't wait. Time to share the reveal with you.